Hello everyone, welcome to another quick TradingView tutorial. Today I will show you how to reset price scale on TradingView mobile app. Now this is going to be a very quick tutorial. Before we get started, obviously I will show this on my PC, but you can do the same thing on your mobile phone, right? And also subscribe for more videos just like this. So let's get started. So as you can see, first of all, this is my mobile app right here, and you can see that I have turned on Bitcoin USDT, right? So just go to a price action, and then what you will need to do is you will need to go to the three dots. Once you go to the three dots on the mobile app, you will get this right here, everything right here. Now what you will need to click on is you will need to click on reset price scale. What this will do is this will reset price scale on TradingView mobile app, right? And that's pretty much it, right? That's how easy it is. All you have to do is just click on the price action, go to the settings, and then reset price scale. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial video. If you did, leave a like down below, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next upcoming TradingView tutorial. Thank you guys for watching.